welcome to Pearls of Wisdom video tutorials. My name is Jennifer. I'm the owner of Pearls of Wisdom, co-owner of Mainline Pearls. And today we're going to talk about what to do when a stitch has laddered down. So here's a stitch that has laddered down, and that means that it has come undone. I'm working in the round. You can, when you're working back and forth, you can actually always fix. If you're working in stockinette, you can always do this fix on the right side. So if you discover it on the wrong side when you're purling, you can always flip over to the right side, fix it, and then flip back and do your work on the wrong side. But in this case, I'm just knitting in a tube, so it's always knit stitches. You can see the bars back here from where it is not caught. And I have caught this stitch on my needle. A lot of people like to use a crochet hook to fix it. I just use my needles. It's a very good idea to catch this stitch on a stitch marker such as this, or even better, a locking stitch marker if you're not able to fix it right away. So if you are elsewhere in your work, you have to be at that point in the work to fix it, and you want to catch that stitch so it doesn't ladder down anymore. So that's always a good idea. So I do have it already on my needle. If it were off the needle, I would just put it in front to back. That's how I'm going to catch it. And now I have my bars. So if you go like this, you should be able to see the bars. There's nothing below that. You can flip it over and check. And I count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what I count on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all I do is I take the tip of the needle, slip it under the lowest bar, and flip the stitch over it. So you're basically knitting without knitting. Just making sure I didn't split anything. The uppermost bars are going to be wider for whatever reason, and the lowest bar is going to be more narrow. And there it is, and then I'm going to knit it, and I'm going to show you. You shouldn't even be able to tell that there was an issue. The reason I'm having trouble knitting is my work is pulling down, even though I have it on my knee, so it's kind of tugging on my work here. Okay, and there you go, all fixed. Hope that was helpful. See you next time.